everything. You can pose. Oh my god, what is this? It's in the ceiling. I don't know why they're doing this. Why is in the ceiling?
What's that?
Why the balloons is in the ceiling?
Customer let them loose.
Ah, okay. So you choose which one you like. Which one you like? They said they lose all the customer. So you cannot do anything. This one you choose here. So which one you like? The special? We don't have dinosaur. I'll check here if there's a... Okay. So here. Check here. You check which one. Nothing here about here. I cannot see any dinosaur. So smiley. All this one is smiley. And I think we're gonna zoom this one. But inside, no. Also here, nothing. See? So here also, see that one available. Yeah. Sir, do you have dinosaur?
They only can you see on that chart. That's what I mean.
Oh, okay.
I don't think
Unicorn.
That is going to be this one here.
Okay. So 545 birthday dino. Okay.